Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn a super easy and fun way to multiply numbers using your fingers. Let's see how we can quickly solve 6 times 6 with just our hands. Hold up both of your hands, then number your fingers from 6 to 10 is starting from the pinky. So your pinky is 6. Your ring finger is 7. Your middle finger is 8. Your index finger is 9 and thumb is 10. Okay, again, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's multiply 6 times 6. Let's solve it using our fingers. Touch the two fingers representing 6 on each hand together. So our touching fingers here is our pinky fingers. We have 6 and then the next step is to count the fingers above each touching fingers. So we count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 on the left and on the right we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 on the right side, then we multiply them together. So we have 4 times 4 equals 16. And below the touching fingers, let's count it by tens. So we have 1 and 2 fingers below. So we have 10 plus 10 equals 20. Then we're going to add 16 plus 20. And the answer is 36. So 6 times 6 equals 36. And that's it. Multiplication made fun and easy with just your fingers. If you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun math tutorials. See you next time at MathLove. See you next time and thank you for watching.